TMC ATA partnership. This is really about taking, you know, the world we all live in, and again, this goes back to the, 10 or more years of work in the TMC world with the data providers and service and fleets. The reality is VMRS coding, while it's extremely valuable and a lot of insights can be derived from the data once it is VMRS coded, the reality is at the service provider level, I think something like 15% of the service operations that come across our platform are actually VMRS coded. And so that presents a challenge, obviously. And so what we set out to do was take the data we have collected, along with a lot of work that Nick has been doing with his team, and use machine learning and AI technology to take unstructured data that is coming into us, and actually analyze that and derive a VMRS code from the unstructured data. So then through this kind of cleansing tool, we then now have structured data, and as Nick will talk about, we're 60% plus in terms of figuring out from the unstructured data, using machine language tools, what the VMRS coding should be. So then it becomes now useful and something of value. So this is all about what value can we deliver, what insights can we deliver to our constituency across the board, but in particular the fleets, the consumers. All of us are here, whether you're an OEM building product or you're a service provider providing services or your component supplier. At the end of the day, this is all about servicing the customer, who is the one that's transporting things from one place to another or using trucks and trailers in a vocational setting or whatever it may be. They're really the ones that we're all catering to. And the more we can do to provide them greater insights into the assets they procure, how they use them, how they manage them across the service life cycle is really what we're talking about here. And that's the benefit of this VMRS coding project that we've been working on. So I'm going to turn this over to Nick,